Hello, today I am going to be talking about how to get Pokemon through PokeBank using PokeGen. What I will be using is a 3DS Action Replay, regular DS, and then PokeGen. First I'll show you the website that you get PokeGen from. It's on projectpokemon.org. You click on PokeGen and then download. And when it brings you to download, it's going to bring you to the link. Click on that, blah blah blah, and then you'll get this. To get Pokemon through, inaccurately, so it more than likely works. I use Cerebi for movesets and abilities. So let's say today, since of Auras or Omega Ruby and Alpha Sapphire will be coming out in a few months, I will do, how about a Swampert? So first you choose a Pokemon, you just type it in, Swampert. Let's do a level 100. Nature, also if you just want to, you can search up like Swampert moveset. Get an idea what to use. People don't like Smogon a lot of the times, but why not just use it for this? Smogon normally gives different movesets, so let's just go with this. So in this case, then you don't need to check Cerebi unless it was for other reasons. I normally go with max PP ups just because. Stealth Rock. Let's go with Scald. Wait, no, not Scald. Waterfall. Jeez. I can understand Scald for the burn, but still prefer Kha'Zix just so I don't lose priority even though he's already slow. Yeah. Trainer information, I tend to use my own. Yes, my name is Master in the game. Let's see, some events, if you were to do an event in Pokemon, you would need to click on ribbons and then click on the ones. Or if it's just like victory ribbon, hey, well, I want my Swampert to have that, you can do that. IVs, I tend to start off with 31 each. If you don't know what IVs are, it's individual stats, and people have videos on what the meaning is and stuff, like Jwit's location. Here we're going to need to go to Cerebi. This is under black and white. Swampert, it's going to be a starter, so not many trade required from the original. So let's see, what is the Hoenn Gen 3rd description? Evolve. Okay, let's go this one. Little Root Town, or yeah. Let's see. It might not give the. Okay, so if it doesn't do that, then you do Hoenn Pokeball. It's all in alphabetical. Let's just do today's date. And here encounter. So in this case, it's in a starter Pokemon. So you have to choose that starter. I'd do this. If it doesn't work, then just do that. I'll come back. You're met at level 5. If you actually, never mind. You can also do it as an egg, so then you pretty much can regard whatever location. So I can just do this in location, daycare center, couple. Level 1 then. location I hatched. Nabasa City, how about that? Origin, Black 2, Shiny Leaf, no. And it's gonna have the ability Torrent. Okay, held item, Happiness. The Happiness doesn't transfer, so it doesn't matter. It has a impish or relaxed nature. If you need to know what it does, you can tell by just highlighting over here, and you can see like mild, let's say, is a plus special attack and minus defense. What natures do is the plus, it raises the regular base stat by 10% and lower the base stat of the other one by 10%. So it's equal. Or if it's like hardy or docile, nothing will happen to that. So in this case it's saying impish, plus defense or minus special attack, or relaxed, plus defense and minus speed. Let's see, impish. Let's defense and special attack, relaxed. I'm just gonna do impish just for the, because you're never gonna need, well, I guess impish would, whatever. Okay, so now you got everything, and now you want EVs and Smogon suggesting for this kind of Swampert. 240 in HP, 16 in attack, and 252 in defense. So the max EVs you can have is 510, but the 2 additional points that you can have won't make a difference because the value is only changed for every 4 points you use. So, yeah. Yep. And shiny IDs are sometimes necessary for making shinies, or legendaries. So now PID, this is where it's important. So if you want to just like skip the PID for now and just make a new Pokemon, you can just right click set, and this is where it will appear in your game. So in box one really, it will be there. So make sure that that space in your game, black, white, or whatever, it's open, because it will replace it if you have a Pokemon there already. PID. So this will indicates if you want it to be like equal, so it doesn't change when it searches through the database for PID for this information. Alright, now we want HP, attack, and not speed, defense. That's what's most important. Special defense. Actually, let's try to find a 31 everything except for special attack. And there is. So you click on that, OK, and then that's your PID. Set it. Then you go into code generator, select Pokemon, generate, and then you can choose through the number of Pokemon you have. In this case, I only have the one Swampert. Copy. This is where the action replay comes in handy. I made a folder here so then I can just drag over, but you can do whatever suits you. Pokemon Black. I have many PokeGen. Let's just put it under 2. New cheat, post code, paste code. So actually over here is the select. So you can choose what will trigger the Pokemon spawning. Make sure you're not on the exact same box that you're going to be putting it there, otherwise it will crash. So just like go over one and then press the, in this case, select to activate it. I'm going to name it 11 Swampert. Okay. Minimize. Drag black version. I'm sorry, I'm not gonna be able to show you guys what it's gonna look like, but I will let you know if it happens. I will be with you throughout the whole process. So let's see. As you can hear, I'm putting it in the thing. So after the 3DS turns on, right, not the 3DS, the DS with Action Replay. Boot the code. Let's go all the way to Swampert. And if it doesn't work out, you can always... Uh-oh. Something's not right. One second. Okay, if something were to not go well, with the code, if it doesn't go through PokeBank, just try editing it to, your needs. Maybe it's the IVs if it's a legendary. Let's see. So now the game's booting up. So if you need to, you can always just go back onto it. Let's say Swampert, double click, copy it, and then you can go under here, extract Pokemon from code, paste that. Actually, let's stop that. Actually, let's do this. I will close PokeGen out. Boot it back up to show you that you can extract Pokemon code from code. That's the Swampert. If it says error, I didn't this time, but just delete that one empty space in front of the D2 repeated zeros. And then there you go. You got your information. You can just play Swampert wherever you want. Okay, let's see. So right now I'm gonna go into my PC. Okay, I haven't been trying to get Feisty Mew through, so as ICS. Yeah, I'll delete one of them or something. Release. Okay, make an opening. Press select, and there's Swampert. After doing that, just to make sure, what I do is I exit out of the PC and re-enter to make sure that you can, because I've had it once where I screwed up on the name and it went AWOL. Thankfully I didn't save it, so yeah. Right now I'm saving, and then I'm going to be going on to Pokemon Transfer on the 3DS. Okay, let's see. Poke Transporter. Enter my password. Yeah, it's kind of long. I don't like saving things just because. So I prefer to manually do it. Just in case something happens, then I remember what to do. If I forget it, then I have it written down somewhere. Okay, so it's communicating with the PokeBank server. Oh, by the way, you obviously need a PokeBank account. It's not a lot. It's only $5 a year. They're making ORS compatible with it, so... Okay, the Swampert has made it through. If you would like to see it, you can. I just ask me through the comments, and yeah. So after getting it through PokeTransporter, then you just go through the PokeBank, move it to there, and you're settled. And that's how you do it. If you have any questions, just ask me at any necessary terms. Thanks for watching.